In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a scatter plot in Google Sheets. To begin, open your web browser and go to Google. Make sure you're signed in so your files and apps are available. In the top right corner of the page, look for the square grid icon, the Google Apps menu, and click it. From the list of apps, choose Sheets to open Google Sheets. Once Sheets loads, open your spreadsheet. If you already have it in your recent files, click it. Otherwise, navigate to where it's saved in your drive and open it. With your document on screen, you're ready to select the data that will feed the chart. Click and drag to highlight the cells you want to plot. Scatter plots work best when you have two numeric columns, one for the horizontal axis and one for the vertical axis. If you have headers, include them in the selection so the chart labels are clear. Try to avoid blank rows or mixed data types in the columns, and make sure numbers are recognized as numbers, not as text. As a rule of thumb, put your X values in the left column and your Y values in the column to the right. With the data highlighted, go to the top menu bar and click Insert. From the drop-down, choose Chart. Sheets will insert a chart and open the chart editor on the right side. It might start as a different chart type, and that's perfectly fine. We're about to change it. In the Chart Editor, under the Setup tab, find the Chart Type drop-down. Scroll until you reach the Scatter section. This is where the scatter chart options live. Select the scatter chart style you prefer. As soon as you click it, your chart will update on the sheet. You should now see each row of your selected data represented as a point, with the first selected column on the x-axis and the second on the y-axis. If the axes look flipped, it usually means the columns were selected in the opposite order. Reselect the range with your intended x values on the left and try again. Also, if any points seem missing, double-check for empty cells or text values in your numeric columns. That's it. You've created a scatter plot in Google Sheets by opening Sheets, loading your document, highlighting your data, inserting a chart, and choosing a scatter type. From here, you can analyze patterns, spot outliers, and understand relationships between variables at a glance. Your chart is now part of the sheet and ready for your next analysis.